What I'm going to share with you today, Insider, we were never taught in school. And it's the very thing that keeps you broke. If right now you want to be able to attract more wealth, I want you to realize this fundamental truth about money. Now, for me to better explain what money is and how you can attract it, I want to share with you this analogy for a moment. I want you to not think about this, but really imagine and picture this for a moment. Just really picture how it would be if it was to actually happen. Imagine a billionaire decides for some random reason to strike a deal with you. He wants to give you $10 million. And you don't have to do anything for it. He just wants to wire it to your bank account. Now, the only one catch is this amount of money is not going to hit your account until 6 months down the line. It's held in escrow, however, so it's guaranteed that it will hit your account. Now, knowing that there will be $10 million landing on your plate very soon, let me ask you, would you walk around with a little bit more spring in your step? Would you be coming from a scarcity mindset or an abundance mindset? How would you be on a day-to-day basis? More uplifted? More energy? More passion? You're probably nodding along yes. Now think about this for a moment. What's actually changed? Because this amount of money hasn't actually landed on your plate. And yet, you've changed the way you are. Think about that for a moment. It's just like in your job. Every month when you get paid, do you feel this uplifted spirit? Because you know there's money coming in your bank account, and you check the account and you're like, oh, I've just been paid. And you've got that spirit. You've got the spring in your steps, right? But then when you spend it, what ends up happening? You slowly start running out of the energy. You see, the biggest mistake that the broke people make that keeps them broke, and the rich people never make this mistake, is attaching their self-worth with their net worth. What the school never taught us is the fact that the net worth follows the self-worth. Unless you are rich in the emotional bank account, the self-worth account, you will never be rich in the financial bank account. Because the way you show up emotionally every single day is going to dictate how much more money you make. For you to, for example, sell well, you gotta have great energy. You gotta show up with spring in your step. You gotta not come from a scarcity mindset, because nobody wants somebody who's a clinger. I mean, even from a relationship example, I know firsthand, when I used to be terrible with dating women, the more I said to them, I really, really need you, please be in my life, the more they just kept on trying to run away. The more you really need money in your life and coming from scarcity, the more it wants to run away. Rich people are rich because they have got a rich emotional account. They know what they're worth, and it's not impacted by their net worth. And that's why there's so many stories of rich people who go broke in their entrepreneurship ventures, and yet they're quickly able to bring it back up. As you go off today, Insider, I want you to think about this. How are you showing up in your emotional account? Because your emotional account dictates your financial account. You got to walk around every single day with an abundance mindset, knowing that you will make that money. As a great saying that was once said by a mentor, is you don't become rich by having money in the bank. You get money in the bank when you know you're rich. Go get what you know you deserve. Show up as the best version of yourself, and you will one day realize that's the very thing that helps you to attract more money. So to wrap up, Insider, stop allowing your net worth to dictate your self-worth. Because if you start seeing yourself as a poor person because your account is poor, that's the very thing that will keep you poor. So go off today and realize you will have that $1 million being transferred one day. As long as you believe it, as long as you show up like that, you will one day make that a reality. Have an incredible, rich day. Go out there today, Insider, with an abundance mindset, and you will be amazed the amount of opportunities that land on your plate. Click the like button if you enjoyed today's video. Comment below if you'd like to see more, because there's definitely more mindset shifts that help me to attract wealth in my life. So be sure to let me know, and I can create more videos to do with this in terms of thinking like a millionaire and a rich person. And share this video, Insider, with somebody who needs to be conditioned for more success in their life, as life is all about paying it forwards. So please do me a favor and share it with them. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And as always, Insider, follow your heart, my friend, and take action and go live the life you're truly born to live. I'll see you on the next video.